Do you ever feel like life is just too overwhelming? Like you're constantly drowning in clutter, distractions, and stress? Well, what if there was a solution? What if you could simplify your life and find more happiness and peace in the process? Enter minimalism, a philosophy for a distracted world. Minimalism is a lifestyle that focuses on living with less in order to prioritize what really matters. It's about intentionally choosing what you bring into your life and letting go of the excess that weighs you down. It's different from living a simple life, which might involve sacrificing things you enjoy in order to live more frugally. Instead, minimalism is about maximizing your enjoyment of life by minimizing the things that don't truly bring you joy. It's about creating space for what's really important and finding beauty in simplicity. So what are the benefits of minimalism? For starters, it can have a positive impact on your mental health. By decluttering your space and simplifying your belongings, you can reduce stress and anxiety and create a more peaceful environment. Plus, minimalism can also improve your physical space and environment. By getting rid of excess clutter, you can create more breathing room and make your home feel more spacious and inviting. And let's not forget about the financial benefits. By practicing minimalism, you can save money by consuming less and use your time more efficiently by not having to maintain as many possessions. So how can you start incorporating minimalism into your own life? Here are some tips. First, declutter your space. Go through your belongings and get rid of anything that doesn't truly bring you joy or serve a purpose. It can be a daunting task, but it's worth it. Start small and work your way up to bigger challenges. You can begin with a drawer, a shelf, or a closet, and move on to more significant areas of your home. Remember that minimalism is not about getting rid of everything you own, but about making intentional choices about what you keep. Second, be intentional with your purchases. Instead of buying things on a whim, think about whether they align with your values and will truly add value to your life. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and if it will truly add value to your life. Consider whether it's a need or a want, and whether it will contribute to your happiness in the long run. By being intentional with your purchases, you'll not only save money and reduce waste, but you'll also cultivate a sense of mindfulness and contentment. And finally, create a space that supports your minimalist lifestyle. Consider choosing neutral colors for your walls and furniture, as they create a calming and cohesive atmosphere. Keep decorations simple and purposeful, such as a few meaningful photographs or a plant. When it comes to furniture and household items, choose quality over quantity and invest in things that will last. By creating a space that supports your minimalist lifestyle, you'll not only feel more at peace in your home, but also reinforce your commitment to intentional living. Still not convinced? Here are some real-life examples of people who practice minimalism. Take, for example, the minimalist fashion movement. By focusing on quality over quantity and investing in timeless pieces that can be worn for years to come, minimalist fashionistas are able to create a wardrobe that brings them joy without cluttering up their space. Or consider the minimalist approach to food. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods and eating mindfully, you can simplify your diet and improve your health. And let's not forget about minimalist travel. By prioritizing experiences over material possessions and focusing on making meaningful connections with people and places, you can create lasting memories that will enrich your life. So there you have it, minimalism. By simplifying your life and focusing on what truly brings you joy, you can reduce stress, improve your mental and physical health, and create a more fulfilling existence. So why not give it a try? Start by decluttering your space, being intentional with your purchases, and creating a space that supports your minimalist lifestyle. And who knows? You might just find that less really is more. Music.